Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Everyone's safe!
Got it, Roy. Ugh.
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that...
Bet you're...
Yahoo! I feel a bit stronger, don't I? All right.
Can he eat some of your leaves? Then he's sure to want to lie down and sleep.
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
To a boy, dramatically expanding, causing the engine block to crack under the stress.
That changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School!
What do you think, boys? Thing of beauty.
We made it through! What?
He's not pitted!
McQueen, your prisoner.
Shoot, no, we're best buds. I ain't bragging or nothing, but I was in charge.
I hope you got your drip pan.
Got my drip pan and I'm taking my nap.
Bring it on, old man.
Luigi.
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati!
I hereby dub thee.
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
That road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you letter?
Pasa, se dan por vencidos. ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
Well, who is it? Has anyone seen the photo yet?
Nope, not yet. The American is here tonight.
Tiger is.
What?
Fast as Storm, but you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
Hey,
And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait. Whoa. Is
Just let him run out of gas and tow him on back. But keep an eye on him. Yes, sir!
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
how could a car like you quit at the top of your game?
You think
feeling lonely, lost and let down.
You know, racing was the best part of his life, and when it ended,
A little bit of training.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
Not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa, no.
Tails down here. I created a drink in your honor.
Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper bomb.
oh, look at this! Okay, now, Mater, remember, best behavior. Someone just say, old school.
That wasn't even a Sunday drive. That was one lap racing his 500 of those. Everybody fighting to move up.
I made that stolen fella a Texas-size offer.
So, you ready?
Right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I wanted to come down here and to personally thank you, because after Italy, I was finished, and then you gave me...
I love this guy.
Hey, yo, DJ! What up? We got ourselves a nodder.
What just happened?
I never liked new car smell.
Tom Bay was doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound.
Harv, I can explain.
I'm doing great! You're everywhere, baby. Radio, TV, the papers. You can't...
happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station?
What?
So don't you think